In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my location in Google Maps. Whether you're using a computer browser or the Google Maps app on your phone, the process is quick and straightforward. First, open Google Maps. You can use the website in your browser or the mobile app. Either works for locating yourself. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the map tiles load smoothly. Next, confirm that location services are enabled for your browser. This is what allows maps to know where you are. The first time you visit the site, you'll often see a small prompt near the address bar asking if the page can use your location. Choose allow so maps can access it. If you dismissed the prompt earlier, look for your browser's site settings to grant permission. On phones, location should also be enabled in your device settings. This is normal and designed with privacy controls, and you can turn it off anytime. Now look to the bottom right corner of the map for the blue target icon. It looks like a small crosshair or bullseye. That button is the My Location button. If it's grey, Maps doesn't have your location yet. After permission is granted, it becomes active. Click or tap it once to ask Maps to find you. You'll see the map smoothly recenter, often zooming in toward your area. This is Maps focusing on your current position. If the map is showing a wide area, give it a second to refine the location. It may adjust the zoom level automatically. If you drag the map away, pressing the blue target again will bring it back to you. Your position is shown as a blue dot. That dot is the marker for where you are right now. You may notice a light blue circle around it. This indicates accuracy. A smaller circle means a more precise fix. A larger one means Maps has a general idea but not an exact pinpoint. Indoors or underground, accuracy can be lower, while being outdoors with a clear view of the sky usually improves it. Having Wi-Fi turned on can also help your device estimate location more accurately, even if you're not connected to a network. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps, make sure your browser can use your location, tap the blue target, and let the map center on the blue dot that marks where you are. With this, you can quickly confirm your position, get directions, and start navigating with confidence.